I've got some items from Amazon Japan in here that would not ship to the United States. I'm going to go over the costs and I'll show you what I bought. Package weighs 608 grams, and that is exactly what Black Ship shows as a weight for this package. So 608 grams, 27 by 20 by 7 centimeters. That includes a consolidation fee of $19.34 and the actual FedEx International Priority shipping charges of $32.81. The consolidation fee is 6 small packages that were received by Black Ship from Amazon Japan. Each one of those small packages was about $1.10 each. So 6 of those, plus the shipping, plus the consolidation fee, worked out today at $58.62. I did not pay for priority handling, and that added about 1 more week to the process of them shipping it out to me. About 6 days actually, because of the time difference between here and Japan. When I have paid the priority handling fee, it ships the same day. Just an FYI there, how that worked. Okay, let's take a look at what we got here. Okay. I got another Makita bit piece. Somebody was confused about what I was calling this. It's a Makita bit piece. It's not my term, it's their term. And the official Makita part number is A44672. And I'll put affiliate links in the description. I got some more of these vessel plastic spring bits. These are not double-ended. You've watched my channel, you know why I like those, because they take out the play and then they auto-eject. These are made in Japan by Vessel. So here's another style of those double-ended bits with the Vessel plastic spring, made in Japan by Vessel. Just wanted to see if these would help reduce the sloppiness. Oh, look at that, okay. Come on now. Okay, that locks into the chuck there. Then we put on the bit joint. I did a review on these bit joints. Still kind of sloppy, but it helps. I wanted to have these bits in time for my double-ended bit joint video, but that just didn't happen. So then I got more bits. These are from Anex. Okay, these are made in Japan. 110 length, HRC 62.5, 40 volt impact rated, slim style. So they've got a rust resistant plating on them. They almost look stainless steel, but they're not. Okay, and then they've got the colored torsion section. This is just an anti-rust plating. They are slim. They've got a torsion section. Yeah, I gotta get those on Instagram. Check this out. An assortment of bits I found from Wera. So these are marketed in Japan. Double-ended Japanese style. Made by Wera, but I don't know if they're made in Germany or if they're made in Japan. Oh, I didn't want to take that tape off. Darn! I don't like to ruin the packaging. This is like opening fine chocolate. I wonder if Wera actually makes these, or if these are made by Vessel or Anex. So here's the contents. So the contents, we've got a black impactor diamond tipped. We've got the red slender bit torsion. The yellow is a normal bit torsion. The green one is a slender bit torsion. And the white one is a slender bit torsion. Very interesting set of bits. Will also be fun to put these on Instagram. Alright, so this is the OLFA Works. Here's the part number. This is an accessory to this knife, which was in a previous video. It's not very easy to get that to slide in there, but it works. What? Is this the wrong size? No, it's the right size. Okay, these blades are made in Japan. There's just one blade here. You can see it's much thicker than a typical utility knife blade. Oh yeah, that is the correct size. Here's the part number. Made in Japan. This is a different style. This one comes with a leather sheath already on it. The lanyard is stretchy. It's stainless, it's brass. It's not gonna rust. Okay, so look at that. So this style of knife does not fit in the sheath. Okay, the sheath is redundant. So there is a look at the two different styles of the leather sheaths and the Bushcraft knives. Let's just create a nice beauty shot here. So these are the other items that I got that go with that camping stuff. This is Uniflame. I reviewed that in a different video. Also reviewed that camping knife in a different video. Here's another OLFA Works product. We'll put that down here. And then here's another Japanese Uniflame. This is a bread knife. Okay, so that is the state of the Bezoid collection today. So that's just a quick holiday unboxing of some new items to add to my collection of OLFA Works. There'll be affiliate links in the description. There will be an affiliate link for Blackship in the description. If you click my link, somehow Blackship gives you either rewards points or some kind of a discount. I haven't really explained that before because I still don't really know how it works myself. I appreciate any use of the affiliate links in the description, even if you just want to check out the prices on the stuff. And there is one more item, and this item I've had for quite a long time. This is a Japanese brand of tarps. I haven't had a chance to use it. I haven't reviewed it. I thought I'd take this opportunity just to show it on camera. They certainly appear to be high quality to me. I'll put links in the description and you can check those out online. This shipped to me directly from Amazon Japan. I did not have to use Black Ship for this item. Just an FYI. I hope you found that interesting. Have a Merry Christmas, have a Happy New Year, and thank you very much for watching.